This video demonstrates some of the value of styling your raster data. There's significantly less options for raster data versus vector data. However, we should take a look. So here we are. Again, see there's not a heck of a lot of options. Mostly what you can do here is toy with the color, and you can brightness, saturation, contrast, much like you would with an image, let's say, to see stuff in that. However, one of the things I wanted to take a look at is transparency. Now, what I wanted to show you here is notice, particularly suspicious, that there are no dots along Jordan Street. Now, I know from the data that there is a Jordan Street listed in the data, but nothing's appearing here. And why is that? Well, one of the ways we can investigate that particular problem is by adjusting the transparency. I'm going to crank it down to about 20. Now, there it is in the old map, notice. Okay, now one of the most important things to notice here is that Jordan Street no longer exists. So when I tried to map these, I should have matched it up with Bridge Street instead of Jordan. So they're not here. And you can see that actually these houses have been torn down to make way for the American Parkway here. So that's one way, one purpose you might use for transparency. Now, some of the other options in terms of the symbology, often you'll use these for things like digital elevation models or hillshades, much more than you would for a scanned map such as we're using today.